Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox Error 280 step by step. Start by checking your computer's date and time. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. If the date or time looks wrong, right-click the clock and select Adjust Date and Time. In the settings window that appears, turn on the options that say Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. Give it a few seconds to update. If it already looks correct, you can move on. Now we're going to uninstall Roblox completely. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Add or Remove Programs. Click that when it appears. In the search bar at the top of the programs list, type Roblox. When you see Roblox Player, click the three dots next to it, then choose Uninstall. Let the uninstall process finish before moving on to the next step. Next, we'll delete leftover files that Roblox leaves behind. Press the Windows key again and type %local app data %. Make sure to include the % signs. Press Enter. This will open a folder. Look for the folder named Roblox. Open it. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything inside, and then press the Delete key to remove all files. These are leftover files that might cause issues if not deleted. After that, close the window. Now, open your web browser. Go to roblox.com/download. Click the download button to get the latest Roblox installer. Once it downloads, open the file. Let the installer run and finish. This will reinstall a fresh copy of Roblox on your system. Once it's installed, launch Roblox and sign in with your account. Try opening a game to make sure it works. If you followed all steps, you should no longer see Error 280. Thanks for watching.